Hey KK Beauties, so I'm back with another video, and as you guys can tell from the title of this video, I am here to let you guys know how to secure locations for your vending machines. I might just be turning this into a little series answering your how-to questions, so make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share, all of that good stuff, and let's just get into it. Okay, so what I would suggest you to do is to actually start looking for your locations of where you want to put your machine before you actually buy your machine, especially if you're going to order your machine overseas, because it's going to take about 60 to 90 days for your machine to get to the US. So while you're waiting on your machine getting here, you should be looking for locations. Now, when you're looking for locations, you want to look for locations in your city or cities near you, because I did have someone reach out to me and she bought a machine. It's been sitting up in her parents' garage, and that's what you don't want to happen. You want to, as soon as you buy your machine, be able to put it right into your location. Now, the type of places that you want to look into are places with a lot of foot traffic. Places like malls, shopping centers, colleges, airports. I've even seen a vending machine inside of a 24-hour gas station. You also want to make sure when you're thinking about these places and you're brainstorming these places, visit these places and see what type of people are actually in these areas. For instance, you don't want to put a beauty vending machine at a place like a commercial building where a lot of construction workers work in that area, or maybe like lawyers or things like that. You know that these people aren't going to want to shop at a beauty machine. It would probably be more convenient to add a snack or a drink machine at locations like this. So after you have brainstormed some places, it's time for you to go talk to the property managers. When you're going to these places, you want to make sure that you're talking directly to the property managers or someone in the business office, or if you visit like malls or airports or things, schools or things like that, you want to talk to someone in the business office or a property manager. Also, make sure you have like a business card or a flyer, something that has your contact information on it. Also, maybe like a picture of your machine and what you're going to plan on selling, things like that, so they can kind of get a visual. And also, if they're too busy, that they'll have your contact information so they could contact you when they have time. Also, if they're busy and you can't get a hold of someone, maybe ask someone around security or someone that's working in the establishment if they could tell you when they work. You'll find out what time they work, find out their number, their email, so you could come back, things like that. Guys, remember, in this process, you will get a lot of no's. When I first started out with my vending machines, I got a lot of no's, and I'm actually going to go back to these places. I'm going to circle right on back to some of these places that told me no my first year in business, and now I'm going to come back around and see if they'll take me this time around, because you never know, they might get different management, rules might change, things like that. So practice what you're going to say, record yourself, practicing what you're going to say and things like that, so you can be more confident and more like a boss when you come to them, so they'll have more of a chance of wanting to work with you. Now, you will have to pay rent, commission, booth rent, like I speak on in my previous video. And if you have not watched that, I do have a video uploaded step by step of how I actually started my business. So you want to check that video out first. But when it comes to your vending machine, you don't want to be paying more rent than what you're making. That is really, really important. You do not want to do that. I always suggest that you shouldn't be paying no more than 20% of your sales. A lot of people do have a flat rate, but I remember when I first started doing research, when I first wanted to start my vending machine business, I seen this one girl said she was paying $500 for rent for a vending machine at the mall. Like, $500 for a vending machine is crazy. Like, you should never be paying that much just to occupy space at a location. So you want to speak up when it comes to things like this, because if you let them, they will get over on you, so you have to speak up. You have to ask questions. The only thing they can say is no and go to the next location. My beauty vending machines, I don't have to post about my machines and I'm still going to get sales. I don't have to edit videos and do this and do that to get sales. So it's a great way to earn passive income, to get your beauty business out there, to make some money, and to also just learn about business. I learned about supply and demand. I'm learning about budgeting. I'm learning about business taxes. I'm learning about so many things just from having my beauty vending machines. So also, Also, I want to let you guys know, if you need more information on anything related to beauty business or vending machine related, I do set up one-on-one sessions. So you can email me, you can comment under this video, DM me on any platform, and I will get back to you. Also, I have my vendor list for products and for vending machines also for sale. So if you want that information, you can DM me, comment under this video, email me. I will get back to you. I'll see it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And I will see y'all in the next video.